This is apple. Banana. This is banana. Mango. This is mango. Papaya. This is papaya. Guava. This is guava. Orange. This is orange. Pineapple. This is pineapple. Watermelon. This is watermelon. Grape. This is grape. Custard apple. This is custard apple. Muskmelon. This is muskmelon. Strawberry. This is strawberry. Sapodilla. This is sapodilla. Raspberry. This is raspberry. Litchi. This is litchi. Pomegranate. This is pomegranate. Sweet lime. This is sweet lime. Jackfruit. This is jackfruit. Kiwi. This is kiwi. Fig. This is fig. Let's see the fruits in order. Apple. Banana. Mango. Papaya. Guava. Orange. Pineapple. Watermelon. Grape. Custard apple. Muskmelon. Strawberry. Sapodilla. Raspberry. Litchi. Pomegranate. Sweet lime. Jackfruit. Kiwi. Fig. Let's see the fruits in order. Apple. Banana. Mango. Papaya. Guava. Orange. Pineapple. Watermelon. Grape. Custard apple. Muskmelon. Strawberry. Sapodilla. Raspberry. Litchi. Pomegranate.